shit, late. Let's go. Who the hell is it now? Hello? Yeah. What? What lockdown? No fishing? No way, mate. That's bullshit, mate. I can't go fishing because it's COVID crap. No, mate. That's crap. Yeah, that's bullshit. That's what I reckon. Well, guys, it is morning, Saturday morning, pristine, beautiful day, and we can't go fishing for the long weekend. Gives me a bit of chance to sort of show around the boat, and also I got some lost footage. It's only the last few weeks. We went down to Dunsborough for some salmon fishing and caught a donut, trying to catch a fish. Couldn't even catch a herring, mind you. Anyway, we also went down to the river, took my nieces and nephews, just for a bit of fun, a bit of action. And we caught a few tailor on the boat as well, so that was good fun. So I'll show you some of that footage, and we might do a bit of a cook-up later on, some frozen calamari. I can't go fishing, so I can't get the fresh stuff. Stay tuned and watch this footage. Stay safe. Okay, we're on Taylor. We've been trialling him out for a while.
Surprise!
He's coming. Hang on, oh, there's a jumper. It's not a jumper, it's a silver. Keep on, Billy. Find him.
Come on, Billy. Come on, Billy, boo.
Bridget. There he is, right there. Oh, he's a good size.
It's a fish. Hurry up. Look out of the water.
He came off, son of a gun.
Oh, Nicholas.
That was my fault.
And I'm missing a right left.
All right, Bridget's on the right-handed reel. She's left-handed, unfortunately. But let's see if she can get this fish. It's going to be a tailor. We hope so. Her first ever.
Richard, hurry up.
Oh, there you go. Now, when you bring it here, just slowly. Okay.
Oh my God. This fish again just it's a good.
Wow.
No.
Okay, bring it on board.
Wiggle.
Yeah, now walk backwards.
Can we like not kill it after that? I feel bad. Can we put it back? Oh my God.
Zero, can I slit its throat?
Please, come on. Back in the water.
All right, there you go. Nice little chopper tailor.
Oh, that's a fishy.
We'll measure him up. Good on you, Bridget.
Thank you. Can we put it back in the water?
It's all right. You caught it. You can.
Yay. No water. We need to catch it.
He's undersized anyway, so you want to put him back in the water?
You put it back. Oh, one time you threw a fish back, like you would go. Bye, fishy. We're gonna call you Gerald.
Thanks, Bridget.
Bye, Gerald.
What?
Go in.
No,
Can I put it back in?
Take a photo of Bridget.
Can I put it back in?
No, Bridget.
Meant to survive less than a minute.
Okay, go. Then go. Put it
Take a
back
photo
in.
with you?
I don't need a photo. Can I do it? Oh, thank you.
So we're on. I'll just tie him out for you, Cecilia.
No, it'll look like no, you can cut this bit out and you can make it look like I did.
He's a good one. Here you go, take it. Always get the pressure on this. Get the pressure on. Go, Cecilia. Oh, look at him going for the water. Now, as you go here, stop reeling, slowly bring him up. That's it. Walk backwards. Okay, that's it. Right, so a bit of drama there. We got it. Cecilia, well done.
Thank you.
He's definitely a size.
No, we're doing something.
Definitely a size one. Oh, this one's on, really.
Oh,
I have it there.
quick.
36 centimetres. Woo! You on?
Not another wee,
Not on.
Anthony.
Right, hang on, let me try something. So I've got some nice tucker here. It has been frozen. Probably the last few episodes, the last few weeks fishing. Just over calamari. Already cleaned up. Frozen obviously. And a few whiting. So we're going to cook them up for lunch and try and drown our miseries from not being able to go and get some fresh ones. Let them defrost a bit. Get the other ingredients. Right, so it's been about 20 minutes since I've defrosted. Get them out here. Just going to be doing a very simple squid ring cook up, salt and pepper, nothing too flash. You squid this one. If you're going to cook squid or white or fish in a fry pan of oil, make sure you do try and get rid of all the excess moisture. It will just stop it from spitting at you. Spices, I've got some salt, black pepper, bit of lemon pepper, mix it all up. Got a plastic bag with a bit of plain flour, throw it all in. Just give it a good shake. Make sure the flour's all over the place. Like to chuck it all into a tray. That's going to be a it's going to be a lunch and a half, this one. Chuck in the whiting as well. Pan with some oil, got vegetable oil or canola oil. Make sure it's warmed up a fair bit. Right, so the oil is nice and warm and hot. Time to put in the calamari. That shouldn't take too long. Probably less than 1 minute cooking. Oh, that looks beauty. I have to taste test it when it's warm, and it's actually hurting my fingers. Spot on. As you can notice, I only cooked it for a very short amount of time in hot oil. Even though it's got like a bit of white, but still got brown around the edges. So it's still soft and tender, not chewy and rubbery. That is fantastic. I love it. Alrighty, that is a feast. Not bad for a bloke who hasn't gone fishing. Still got enough for a feed. Anyway, I'll give you a quick demo of the boat. First of all, we got the console here. Very simple. You don't want to see that phone, I've already smashed that. But I've got a Hummingbird Helix 7. That's done pretty good. I like that. And here I've got the marine radio. I've got two of them, VHF, and that's the Meg 27. And on the bottom here, you've got some safety stuff. Got a backup EPIRB which came with the boat, battery and an extinguisher. I've also got a spare battery in here as well. Just down here, I've got a compartment. That's the bilge. Haven't really used it that much because I don't get flooded out there, but that's very handy. Behind here, I've got this little box. Now, I've got this already packed up for my next episode. It's going to be a catch and cook. What I do here to sit down as I'm driving is put the big air ski, and I've got some straps that I strap it up so it's nice and stable. On the side here I've got a few rod holders. I put this in myself. I should put this shelf in my shelf too. So I've got just a bit of knickknacks, hand lines, and yeah, just the usual stuff, some soft plastics, lures, bit of extra gear. Nothing too flash, nice and simple. On the other side here, got some hand lines, which I'm gonna start using a bit more. Got another episode on that, just specifically on handline fishing. At the front here, it's the other side here, I've got a little compartment as well, some stuff, hats and safety equipment, EPIRB, squid jigs. That's all nice and stuck out of the elements. Over here got the seat, which is great for people to sit on. Got a few rod holders. This here is a water pump. Got a hose here and you prime it up, hooked up to the water tank over here. And that's used for fresh water on board, but I'm only using it for weight. So I've got 2 fuel tanks, both 25 litres. And your room out here, got some burley. I've got a bag of rocks to give it more weight. So when I'm out in the water it doesn't bounce too much around the place. So that's all closed like that. And up here, got another little compartment. That's where I've got my anchors. So I've got the reef anchor and the sand anchor. Alright, but that's the boat in a nutshell. Anyway, you know the deal. You're not going to see me sit down and chew on this fine cuisine that I just cooked up. But well, pretty about this weekend. Hopefully it's only this weekend, because I've got 2 weeks off and I need to do a lot of catch-up fishing. Anyway, until next time, you take it easy, don't want petite, and stay safe. Fish, tucker, fish, tucker, fish, tucker, man. Fish, tucker, the fish, tucker, man.